In the whisper of the trees, in the roar of the seas, lies a story untold, of the earth we hold. Humans and creatures with shared features, in this world we're all kin, in the skin we're in. For the Human-Animal Environment Foundation, we sing this song of heartfelt dedication. Together we stand hand in hand to protect our home, this wondrous land. From the tiniest ant to the tallest tree, each life is a thread in this tapestry. We breathe as one under the same sun, in harmony our lives are spun. We hear the call to embrace it all, the wild, the tame in nature's hall. With every deed we plant a seed, for a future where all life can succeed. For the Human-Animal Environment Foundation, we sing this song of heartfelt dedication. Together we stand hand in hand to protect our home, this wondrous land. So let's raise our voices, make the choices to be the change, as our heart rejoices. For every beast, for every man, for our earth we do all we can.